Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about oven safety valve for Southbend part number 1180866. The Southbend 1180866 oven safety valve is a safety device designed to prevent the oven from overheating and causing a fire. It is typically installed in commercial ovens and works by automatically shutting off the gas supply to the oven if the temperature inside the oven exceeds a certain level. The valve is designed to open when the temperature reaches a predetermined level, allowing gas to escape and preventing further heating of the oven. This helps to ensure that no fire can start in the oven due to excessive heat. The valve also helps to protect PE. This part fixes the following symptoms. The oven safety valve for Southbend part number 1180866 is designed to replace a faulty or malfunctioning safety valve in a gas oven. It can help to fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up properly, the pilot light not staying lit, or the oven not reaching the desired temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the gas supply to the oven. 2. Disconnect the gas line from the existing safety valve. 3. Remove the existing safety valve from the oven. 4. Install the new safety valve in its place, making sure that it is properly aligned with the gas line connection and that all connections are tight and secure. 5. Reconnect the gas line to the new safety valve and turn on the gas supply to the oven. 6. Test for leaks by applying a soapy water solution to all connections and looking for bubbles, which indicate a leak. If any leaks are found, tighten. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.